The voltage regulator is essential for maintaining the electrical stability and performance of the car. When it goes bad, it produces different symptoms. In this video, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. First off, let's quickly cover what a voltage regulator does. The primary function of the voltage regulator is to control the voltage output from the alternator. It ensures that the alternator produces a consistent voltage, typically around 13.5 to 14.5 volts, which is necessary to charge the battery and power the electrical systems. Symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. 1. Dimming or flickering lights. When the voltage regulator goes bad, it can cause your car's lights to flicker or dim unexpectedly. This happens because the voltage isn't stable, leading to inconsistent power delivery to your headlights, dashboard lights, and interior lighting. 2. Dead battery. The voltage regulator controls the amount of charge sent to the battery. A faulty regulator can either overcharge or undercharge the battery. Undercharging means the battery doesn't get enough power to stay charged, leading to a dead battery. 3. Warning lights. Modern vehicles have sensors and diagnostic systems that monitor electrical performance. If the voltage regulator fails, it can cause the alternator to either undercharge or overcharge the battery, triggering the warning light to alert the driver of a potential charging system issue. 4. Engine performance issues. The engine control unit of your vehicle relies on a stable voltage supply to manage the engine's operations. Fluctuations in voltage can disrupt the function of the ECU, leading to poor engine performance, misfires, or stalling. 5. Blown fuse. A faulty regulator can cause voltage spikes and fluctuations. These sudden changes in voltage can create surges of current that exceed the capacity of the fuses, resulting in them blowing to protect the circuit. 6. Burning smell. Overcharging due to a faulty voltage regulator can lead to excessive current flow through the electrical system. This can overheat wires and other components, creating a burning smell. So, there you have it, the top symptoms of a bad car voltage regulator. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to have your car checked out by a professional. Don't wait until you're stuck on the side of the road.